Okay, guys, you need your Oklahoma book. We're doing lesson 1. That is page OK 1. Okay. So, use what you know about numbers to place them on an open number line. These questions will help you place 85 and 82 on this open number line. So, open number line just means that you draw it and you get to put the numbers on. There's not any set numbers when you start. So what 2 10s is 85 between? So if we went down to the what word am I looking for? Down to the nearest multiple of 10 and up to the nearest multiple of 10. There we go. It would be between 80 and 90. Okay? So we're going to write place the 2 10s on the number line. I already did that. Use a tick mark and label for each. So this is a tick mark, just a little line on the number line, and then we labeled them, okay? Should 85 be to the right or to the left of 80? So it's asking, should 85 be over here somewhere or over here somewhere? To the right or to the left? It's going to be to the right. So we're going to write with a complete answer, meaning we're going to use our question. So we're going to say 85, and remember you can pause, should be to the right of 80. Okay, pause and write that down if you need to. So it says explain your answer. So we're going to say because, and what is our answer? Why is 85 going to go to the right instead of the left? Okay, because 85 is greater than 80. Period. That was one thought. So here's a misconception, a mistake that a lot of young students make is when they come down here, they would capitalize this B. That is not correct. We don't use capitalization at the start of every line. Think about our rules. We capitalize the beginning of a sentence and proper nouns. Should 85 be to the right or left of 90 and explain your answer? So here's 90 to the right or to the left or to the right. Yes, so we're going to say the same thing. And you can pause anytime you need to. 85 should be to the left of 90. And it says explain your answer. So we're going to tell why. Because 85 is less than 90. Period. I'm so glad we're getting a writing assignment in today. Is 85 closer to 80 or closer to 90? Oh, goodness. Think about that. If we were to round, how would we go up or down? Would we go to 80 or 90? Let's look at that. I'm going to write this up here. You don't have to write this, but I am. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. So what is it closest to? 90. So we're going to write 85 is closer to 90. Do you see how I use the sentence or the question? But we're going to say because when you round, 85 rounds to 90, period. And you can pause because I know it's going to take y'all some time to write that. So go ahead and pause because I'm going to move my paper. So then it says place 85 on the number line, use a tick mark and a dot, label the point. So 85 is going to go directly in the middle. We're going to label it and we're going to put a dot. That's what that means, a tick mark and a dot. Okay. So is 82 greater than or less than 85? 82 less than the ones place. Sorry, the ones place, if you're looking at it, a 5 and a 2, so 2 is less than 5. Is 82 closer to 85 or closer to 80? Explain your answer. Think about it. 82 is closer to 80 because there's only one between them. Takes 2 tick marks to get to 82, and there's more between 82 and 85. So this one's a long one, guys. Okay. 82 is closer to 85 because 82 is only 2 from 80, but 3 from 85. Okay? So now it says place 82 on the number line. So that's going to be about right there. Move it over just a little. Okay? Flip it over. For exercises 10 through 17, place the 2 10s that each number given is between. Use tick marks and labels, then place the number. Okay, so what that means, 93. Sorry, I'm double tasking. I'm adding your Saxon. It took forever to process today. Okay, all right. So 93, which 2 10s is 90 between? We're going to add 2 tick marks. Okay. So if I were to go down to the nearest 10, I would be at 90. If I were to go up to the nearest 10, it'd be 100. Okay. Now it says put 93 on the number line. Directly in the middle is going to be 95. So about right here is going to be 93. Okay. $56. What 10 is below 56? 50. What 10 is above 56? 60. Where is 56 going to be on the number line? 55 is halfway. Okay. I want you to do 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Try them on your own. Pause the video, work it out, and then come back. Okay, pause. So 89 is between 80 and 90. And then 89 is just one, it's going to be right there. Okay. 34 is going to be 30 and 40. 35 is halfway, so 34 is going to be about right there. 62 is going to be 60 and 70. And 62 is going to be about right there. Excuse me. 90 and 100 and 97 is going to probably be about right there. 25, that's going to be 20 and 30. And 25 is right smack dab in the middle. Okay? Now this says 54 and 58. So both of our 10s are 50. So these are going to be the same. So 54 and 58 are between 50 and 60. So 55 is directly in the middle. So this is going to be 54, around there. And this is going to be around 58. Okay? Let's look at 18. Keith wants to place 71 on this open number line. Show how he can do this. Just like we did up here. 71, okay, is going to be what? What's our two 10s? 70 and 80. And 71 is going to be about right there. Jenna tried to place 36 on this number line. Explain her mistake. Oh no. What'd she do? This should be over here, right? So how can we explain that? Lots of different ways. Tell me, how can we explain that? Is she correct? No. One, it says mistake. Okay. And we know it goes over here, but why? Okay. We're going to say 36 is greater than 35. Jenna should have placed 36 to the right of 35. Write all of that because you have to take a picture and send it to me. Make it neat. If I can't read it, it doesn't count. Okay? Martin says 86 will be closer to 90 than to 80 on the number line. Is he correct? Let's do an open number line. 86. So we have our two end numbers, 80 and 90. He says 86 will be closer to 90. Here's 85. Here's about 86. So is he correct? He is. Okay, so let's write that in words, okay? Martin is correct. That's an E because 86 is 6 from 80 and only 4 from 90. Okay, so maybe you guys don't draw this. Okay, because I know you guys, that's hard for you to write that little. Okay? Take a picture of both sides, please, because I'm going to take a writing grade on this, handwriting grade. Take a picture of both sides and send it to me.